Alright, we're gonna go storm chasing. Ignore that sound outside. If you hear a song, just ignore that. It's probably my brother or my little brother playing that song. Stop it, stop it, stop it. I see a tornado. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Alright, they're deployed. The car is deployed. Just gotta. Alright, we're deployed. Yep, we're deployed. Why won't the tornado work? The tornado is coming back. Bro, I did not want to. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. By the way, I'm new to Storm Chasers, so if any Storm Chaser fans are seeing this, the Dominator 3, 2, and 1, and probably the... never mind. But if any Storm Chaser fans are watching this, I barely know nothing about Storm Chasers. I'm new to Storm Chasers, so teach me some stuff. No, I was about to say Dominator. A Storm Chaser fans. Oh. Yep. Oh, la la la. Flip. Oh, now it's working. Let's go. We just intercepted into a tornado and now we're out. Thank God I didn't die. Twin. That was the most scariest thing of my life. Ow, I just hit my head and now oh my... Oh! Well, he's gone. Meanwhile, he's driving them. He's gonna run into tornadoes. Wait, I need to deploy! Ah! my... Gets thrown up into the sky. Oh my god! My arm is broken! Oh no! Okay. Let me try to deploy. Oh my god. It survived. Where's my stuff not working? Oh. Oh. And Pumpkin was my last friend. Oh, all of them died while storm chasing. Oh god. And I was there. I could have saved them. Oh my god. Down, down, down. A sad song. Just pretend a sad song is epically playing. What the flip? Somebody help me! Wait. Are those tornadoes coming back? And are those more tornadoes forming? What the flip? I'm cooked! Oh, get my feet out of my way. I do not want them in my face. Oh, I'm just gonna accept my fate at this point. Come on, tornado. More tornadoes formed. Oh my god, my game is lagging. Oh. This just keeps on happening over and over again. Oh no! If I don't delete these in one... Oh my god, if I didn't pause... I know if I unpause... my game's gonna crash. If I do not delete that. What happened to you? You. All this stuff can potentially crash my game, so that's why I'm deleting some stuff. So my game does not crash. Yeah. And if I don't, I think you already get the point, don't you? Do you or do you not get the point? Like, if so, like, if I unpause the game, my game's gonna crash and I won't be able to film this video. Ah! Dang. Ah. Flip! I hate ads. I wish ads never existed. What? What? What the? This is the end of the video.